we have positive teacher and we have negative teacher, or in other words, we can just call them effective teacher and ineffective teacher. Okay, so when we say positive teacher, simply it's meaning that how to be a good teacher. Okay, how to be a good teacher. So a good teacher, mostly they have what? They have three characteristics. Okay, a good teacher, mostly they have three characteristics. The first one is that they have a positive expectation for students' learning. Okay, so for me as a teacher, the first thing that I come to class, I find my student, so I have to put like a positive expectation that, oh, those kids, they're good kids, they're going to learn this lesson, they're going to achieve their goals, they will make this, and so on and so on. So for all of them, it's not only like one kid or two and I will ignore the others and so on. No, you have to put all these things like for all the students, okay, all of them, they're going to achieve their goals, they're going to do this and so on. So positive expectation for what? For students learning. You should have this as a teacher. You must have this, that you expect that your kids, they will learn the lesson, they will achieve their goals, they will do good things. Okay, this is the first thing. It's not only about the students, it's only about you. Okay, you have to have positive expectation for yourself that I'm a good teacher, I'm going to do the best, I will help my kids. So you should have these things in your mind, positive expectation, because we know that the kids, whatever you expect from them, it's the thing that they will just produce. Like if you say that, oh, this kid is intelligent, so the things that he will make, he will try to do his best that to prove that he is intelligent. If you are saying that, oh, this case, you are just average, you are not doing good, and I don't think so. So he will act like the way that you think. This is the students. It's something completely true, that whatever you believe on it, so it's the thing that you will receive. So that's why you are saying that you should have what? Positive expectation for your kids. Second one is what? Great classroom management. So a good teacher, you must know how to manage the classroom if the class is not under control. So when we say under control, it doesn't mean that the kids will not speak or share or so. No, they will speak, they will share with you, but in what? In controlled way, that they know when they have to raise their hands, they know when they have to answer. So they know all these things. Okay, so they know all these things. So you have to be what? You have to be a great teacher in managing what? In managing the classroom. The last thing regarding a positive teacher or a good teacher is what? Is lesson mastery. So you should know how to make lesson plan. Okay, it's something must. So as a good teacher, you should know how to make your lesson plan, planning the lesson, how you have to move from one place to another place so that you will not miss your way. A lesson plan, as we know that it's a map of what? It's a map of a lesson. So if you have a lesson plan, then it means that you have your map. You know how to move and which way that you have to go. You know all these things and so on. So, okay. So that's all. Thanks for watching.